Today I will do an example about creating a new project with supported Jetpack Compose. To create a new project, go to File, New Project. With the project template, I choose Empty Compose Activity. Next, with the application name Compose, Jetpack Compose Example. Save location. You can choose another place to save it. The minimum SDK the Jetpack component supported is 21. 21 selected and finish. Jetpack components is supported by Kotlin. You cannot write it in Java. That's it. You can change the value of the text field of the text. You can change to hello Android 10 and build and refresh. That's it. If you see my tutorial is helpful, please click like and share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.